Okay, dogs, who wants to go for a walk? It's been a rough day. Who wants to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk in the woods, baby? Oh, my babies want to go for a walk. You want to go for a walk in the woods? It's cooled down. It's cooled down. The sun's going down. It's so hot outside all day and you couldn't go for a walk, so you want to go for a walk now? Who wants to go for a walk? Oh, who wants to go? Okay, let's go for a walk. Blue, sit. Blue. Blue, do you want to go for a walk? Blue. Willis. Okay, let's go for a walk. Bye, honey. Bye, honey. Okay, the dogs have left me. Lilith hasn't left. Okay, this is one of our last walks at the cabin. We sold the cabin and we've been cleaning. It's been around 110 degrees humidity index today, and so the dogs have not been able to walk or run or play. But it's almost 6 o'clock, and so we're going to go for a little walk. Blue's already taken off for the clover, but he'll meet up with us, I'm sure, at the big pond. Okay, babies, let's go. Let's go to the pond. Oh, ladybug, ladybug. My good girl. Okay, let's go. This is going to be a bumpy video, but it's one of my last times, so I got to get it done. Lady, no. We're not going to go to the bottoms. Well, I don't know. I guess we could. You want to go to the bottoms? Okay, let's go to the bottoms. Come on. Let's go to the bottoms. This is the first trail from the cabin to the bottoms. There are 3 or 4 trails that, well, I guess 4, that go down this one path that go off to the right to the bottoms. Come on. Even this time of year, there are leaves left over from last fall that are crunchy, crunchy. And it is a good 10 degrees cooler in the shade. Come on. Ladybug, come. Lady, come. Okay, lady, go find Blue Dog. Good girl. Go find Blue. Go find Blue. Yeah, okay, you have to do poo-poo. Okay. Good girl. Only dog lovers enjoy watching a dog do their poo-poo and make sure it's nice. I'm sure all my dog-loving friends will love. Oh, what a beautiful poo-poo. Yes, it is. Oh, yes. Okay, good girl. Oh, my gosh. I'm going to miss this so much. Look how beautiful this is, this canopy. This beautiful canopy of green and the trail, and all of our trails are like this. Oh, there's Blue. Where have you been, boy? I thought you were at the bottoms. And there's Lilith. She never leaves Mommy. My dogs enjoy this so much. They enjoy it so much. There's my little fluffy butt girl. She doesn't go far from Mommy. But we're headed to the bottoms. It's where Claude likes to plant ryegrass for the deer and turnip greens for Mama. Okay, here are the woods. My God, I'm gonna miss this. There are little valleys, little hills. Everything flows from up the hill to the bottoms, and there's our cabin at the top of the hill. Kosciuszko is surprisingly hilly. This time of day is magical when the sun filters through the trees and the leaves, and even in the winter, because there are so many pines mixed in with the hardwood, it always filters in like this and is magical. Continuing to walk down the path, and to the left we have another path that Claude has cut that goes up to the main path. There's so many paths that we have cut through this property, all leading to the small pond or the big pond or to the bottoms. So here's another path cut. Claude had to cut some trees to get the path nice and clear, but over the 11 years he's cut all of these paths. It's just, he did it for me and the dogs. Here we go. This is my wonderland. This property has 42 acres total, and including the bottoms and where the cabin is, where it's flat. There's no timber. There are a lot of paths, and you can walk for an hour and a half or 2 hours and not see the same thing, because Claude has cut paths in between the trees, and the forest is so dense you can be only 20 or 30 feet away, and you can't see that you just walked close by. You can walk forever and see different things. Good boy, Blue. Where have you been? Let's go on to the bottoms. Come on, babies. My dogs have been wanting to run all day, and they've been stuck in the house because, again, it's been over 105 degrees, 110 degrees heat index. It's too hot for dogs and people. Are you okay, Ladybug? Come on, baby. It's not so hot right now. It's okay. If Mommy can stand it, you can stand it. It's actually very cool in the shade here. Okay, Blue, we're not going to go in the clover. We're not going to go down there. We've let the bottoms grow up because there were fawns out there. Claude tried to bush hog about a month ago, and there were fawns in the clover. He had to stop. And he hasn't had a chance to get back down because there were wild turkeys down here last weekend. Probably 20 wild turkeys, at least. Come on, Blue. Come. There were at least 20 wild turkeys in the bottoms, and they were marking the property. They didn't have time, but get out of there. Come on. Let's go. Here are the bottoms. Got a lot of acreage. That's the clover, and goes forever. The dogs love it. They love to chase field mice and birds in the wild clover, and our property goes about 120 feet to the other side of those trees where there's a creek. The creek is in between the trees, and then we have about 120 feet. So we're going to head back. Come on, let's go. Let's go to the lake. And that will be another video. Come on, baby. Let's go. Good boy. Oh, Blue Dog. Let's go to the lake.